Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you dreaming of owning your own home? Well, today, that dream might just get a little closer to reality. We're talking about the fantastic Mera Ashiyana housing scheme, a game-changing initiative by the State Bank of Pakistan designed to help you build your very own haven. So, if you've always wanted to stop paying rent and start building equity, listen up. This could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Let's dive right into who can apply for this amazing scheme. First and foremost, this is for first-time homeowners. So, if you don't own any property yet, you're exactly who they're looking for. The good news is, it's open to both salaried individuals and business owners. This inclusivity is one of the best parts of the program. Now, let's talk numbers. If you're a salaried person, your minimum monthly income needs to be 50,000 rupees, and you should be working for an approved organization. For business owners, the criteria are similar, focusing on your business's stability and income. Age-wise, you need to be between 23 and 65 years old to be eligible. This wide age range means everyone from young professionals to those nearing retirement has a shot at owning their home. So, what about the financial side? This is where it gets really exciting. The loan markup rate is an incredibly low 5%. This is a fixed rate, which means your monthly payments won't suddenly jump up, giving you peace of mind and making budgeting so much easier. A stable, low markup is a huge advantage when you're planning for the long term. What kind of property can you get with this loan? You have options. You can purchase a ready-made, brand new house or apartment. This is perfect if you want to move in quickly without the hassle of overseeing construction. But if you already own a plot of land, say up to 5 marlas, you can also use this loan to construct your dream house from the ground up. Imagine designing every room just the way you want it. Ready to apply? The process is straightforward. You can walk into any scheduled bank in Pakistan to start your application. Just gather your documents, like your ID, proof of income, and property details, and the bank staff will guide you through the rest of the process. This is your chance to turn your dream of Mera Ashiyana into a beautiful reality. Don't miss out on this incredible government-backed opportunity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. See you next time.